These are the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops, and I really like these. You can use them AM, PM, or what I like to do, I love that it's in a glass container. I like to use them as kind of a primer underneath my makeup because it has kind of like that tacky primer texture to it once it dries down. They smell really subtly like watermelon, but it's a pretty smell. And they give you a tiny bit of a shimmer, kind of that like lit from within. Yeah, I really like them. The smell is really pleasant. It doesn't feel, you know, icky on your skin. They soak in, but they do leave, you can see the glow. So yeah, I really like them.